Have you ever wished to have full hair but was not born with it? You have fine hair but you would really love to have that thick hair? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you just what to do to get that full hair in a second. So, guess what? Let's get started. So hi everyone, welcome to Discover Natural. Not everybody is born with thick hair, but we can get thick hair, right? Yeah, you can get thick hair. So I got this product. So this is from CurlsCurls, and CurlsCurls is a factory store that provides high quality hair in a really affordable price range due to direct sales to customers without distributors. So this is what it looks like. It has some clips, and this is the hair. This is human virgin hair, 100%, and this is what it comes in. It comes in different sizes. The color I chose was color 1B. The length is 20 inches and it's 240 grams. This is the Afro Kinky clip-in extension. Is the thick one. You can see the clips right over there. Yes, so it comes different sizes, and I'm going to show you how I prepare this hair. So to prepare it, so you start off by wetting the hair with warm water. Make sure you saturate the hair with warm water. After you wet it, you can now proceed to apply your conditioner of choice. So I'm applying my conditioner. There's a booklet that comes with the hair that teaches you all the products that you can use on the hair and the method of applying the hair. So applying the products and all that stuff, I'm washing the hair. So while I'm applying the products, I'm going downwards position, making sure I saturate the conditioner fully throughout the hair. And as I do that, you can see how I'm walking, going down. So you start from the top and you go down, and you really want to make sure you cleanse the hair before you use it. So you squeeze out any excess conditioner from the hair. This hair, you can also shampoo this hair. Always use your fingers when detangling the hair, and I'm just rinsing it thoroughly to get all the conditioner out of the hair. And after you use this conditioner and you wash the hair, what's gonna happen is that the hair is just going to look amazing. Okay, so you guys, after I've washed it, this is what it looks like. It has its shine, it has its luster. And if you see any shedding that I get throughout this, it was very, very minimal, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go and I'm going to now start styling my hair with these clip-ins. So I'm going to start styling my hair. We have two of these longer ones. This has 5 clips in there, and then we also have 2 of the ones with 4 clips in there. We also have 2 of the 3 clips, and then the 2 clips, we have 4 of the 2 clips. So this helps you get as full and as thick looking hair as you can. So I'm going to start by separating my hair so that I can install the clips, and the way that it goes is the bigger the clips, the lower I get them. So I'm just going to use my clips to just clip my hair away. And the lines don't have to be straight. This is the one with flat 5 clips. So I'm going to take that and kind of put that. Now I'm measuring my head, because if my head, you can see that my head right now, the clips are hanging. So that means I'm going to need the ones, instead of 5 clips, I'm going to need the ones with the 3 clips. So this is the one with the 3 clips. And as you can see right there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take the clips and open them up. And then I'm going to clip it to my hair. And after doing that, I'm just going to repeat the same thing on the other levels, going according to the size of my head. Front area, And for the front area, I'm just going to take down my clips. And for the front area, so we have this area here, I'm going to let my own hair kind of fall on top so that I'm not seeing the riff or the sewing, you know, this part, and it's not exposed. So I'm going to use my own hair to kind of cover it up. And this is where I'm going to start adding those 2s and 3s right here, right there. And when I get up here, I just clip it and secure. So the last time when I was doing this, a lot of you said that I should have added more hair. So that's why, you know, I'm coming back again to show you guys. So right here, I'm gonna add another 2. So I'm just gonna open this up a little bit. I have some leave outs. This is my leave out. And I'm going to add another 2. Remember, we only have we only have 4 2s. I wish I had more 2s, but we only have 4 2s. So you can see how much fuller it's getting. So yeah, so I'm just gonna take my own hair and overlay my own hair on top of it. And that gives, so you can just imagine, this is the amount of fullness I have on this side versus this side. So this is my own hair without the extensions, and this is the hair with the extensions. So it gives it that volume that I don't think I will ever have in my life. I don't think so. This is how it looks like all around. So I've not done anything to it yet. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna start styling it, okay? So it's a lot of hair. I can't remember having this much hair, but it's really pretty. So according to the manual, you can style it using a diamond brush or like a Felicia with leatherwood brush. So I'm just going to go and I'm going to start with sectioning my hair. So I'm gonna section my hair and I will be doing a twist out. Very soft, and I like the length because if it does shrink, then it will work really well because my hair has very high shrinkage volume. So this is what the twist looks like. You can see it's nice and jumbo twist. Twisted up my hair. You can see you can't even tell where my hair is and where the extension is. It's so nice. It goes so well. When I apply the product, it didn't flick at all. I love this. I'm gonna rock this for a while, and then probably end of today. It's so early in the morning. End of today, I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna untwist it. Hopefully it would have dried. The back, I really did it just like a layered. I should have done 2 twists, but I kind of did the back just like that. So I'm gonna let this dry all day long, and then I'll come back later. We'll untwist it and see the bombshell. But this is so beautiful, guys. This is so beautiful. So let us unravel. I'm gonna start with the front one and unraveling from the ends. Let's unravel this. Yeah, so when we unravel, this is what it looks like. You can see nice. Look at that, not frizzy. So I'm gonna just unravel the rest of my hair, and always start off at the ends while you're unraveling and just unravel it. Remember, the roots, you're not really unraveling the roots because you didn't grab from the root. Once I've unraveled, this is what it looks like, unraveled. So now it's time to start separating it. So to separate it, I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna uncoil it and just grab. So you see it has merged with my own hair really well. And so you cannot see my own hair. You can't even tell where my own hair is. It has really merged well with me. So I am done fluffing and stuff. This is a different look. If you have thin hair and you're born with fine hair and you want that volume, girl, just get a clip in and just feel how it is to have a lot of hair on your head. I'm like, oh my gosh, but it feels so nice and I can put it in a ponytail. I can do so many things, but right now this is it in a twist out. And I love it. I absolutely love it. So if you guys love it as much as I do, please look down below. I have some coupon code for you guys, and yeah, check out CurlsCurls and you will not be upset. This is factory direct, okay? So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.